So this is the first question. Okay, predict an output. Public class final 10, final static int k. This is a static method. I'm performing the initialization for the final variable inside the static method. So here I'm just calling the static method from the public static void main. So what is an output of this code?
10 will be printed, sir.
Sir, error, sir.
Error. Why, Santosh?
Sir, final variable na ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಯೂಸರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ.
Okay.
Initialization inside the method is not permitted.
Okay. I will show through code. So this is what, right?
Yes, sir.
See, you are getting compile time error.
Yes, sir.
What kind of error you are getting? Just observe here. Variable k might not have been initialized. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Here is not initialized. So here, so cannot assign the value for the final variable. Two errors you are getting. Two compile time error. Here it's saying you should be initialized here. Okay, if I initialize here, first error will be gone. Correct? Again, you will get the second error. Cannot assign the value. Why? Because we already assigned. So we are unable to assign the new value. Correct? Two errors will get it. Two compile time error. Here and here. Got this concept clearly? Anyone having doubts in this code?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I will go for the second question. Now, so here the class is final 11. Here I have declared the final variable not yet initialized in the class level. We have one more final variable called a, which I declared inside the public static void main. So two final variables are there. One variable present in the class level, another variable present inside the public static void main.
Sir, error ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sir.
Where? Which line?
Sir, both int k, final int a ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಅಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ.
Two errors you will get it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just observe. Where is the error is coming? So here we should perform the initialization. Okay, I will perform initialization. So no errors here. This is present inside the static method, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is present in the class level. This is present in the class level. So that is the reason you have to perform the initialization. See, if you are not performing initialization, you will get the error. So that's the reason you have to do the initialization here. Here is no problem. Why? Because this is present inside the static method. So only one error, guys.
Sir, final variable ಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು?
But here, once you declared as a final, we should initialize. This is just like a constant. You have to perform the initialization. But here, in this case, we are declared inside the static method. So here is not recommended. Here is not necessary. If you want, you can perform, no issue. See, you can perform the initialization also, no issue. But we can declare. But you can declare and you can perform the initialization also, no issue.
Okay, sir.
Why? Because it's present inside the method. This variable present in the class level. Okay, if it is present in the class level, definitely you have to perform the initialization. If you are not performing the initialization, you will get the compile time error.
Okay, sir. But sorry, int a ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾವೊಂದು ಯೂಸರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Wait. I will explain with another code.
Okay sir.
Okay. Another question is there. Okay.
Okay sir.
So I will give you an answer. So we'll go for the next question. Now Santosh, you tell me now. I'm coming to your question. Here the class name is final 12. Here we have a user defined method I have declared here. This is a static method. Okay, I have declared here printing Java. Here also I'm printing Java. This is not required. You can delete this one. I'm calling this, but here is we have declared the static variable in the user defined method. Here also we declared the static variable in the user defined method, but this is the normal method and this is the static method. This is what, right?
Error sir.
You were asking questions, Santosh.
Yes sir.
So where is the error here?
I think no sir, no error.
No error, sure.
Yes sir.
So
Confident
last
error,
question
but
is declared inside the static method, correct? This is predefined. So these two are user defined methods.
Yes sir.
Last question, I'm not at perform any initialization operation inside the static method. Here is all, these are the two user defined methods. What about here?
Sir idea ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Any guesses? No.
Guesses ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರರ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
Okay. I will show. See, just observe, if I run this code, definitely 2 Java will be displayed here. Why? Because I'm calling init static method, so it's going here. So there is no error here. Just observe. There is no compile time error inside the method also, here inside the static method also. No error.
Okay sir.
One more conclusion, you can declare here also, no issue. Final int yes. No error. Got this now? Inside the predefined static method, this is the inside the user defined static method, this is the inside the ordinary method.
Okay sir.
Got it now? It's clear now?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll go for the next question. Now this is over, right? Same question it seems.
Sir, but ಇವಾಗ error ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir.
Yes. This is different question, guys. Different question.
Yes sir.
This is different question. Here I'm trying to print the values.
But value initialize ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ sir.
Doesn't matter. It won't print 0.
No sir, error.
Sure.
Yes sir.
Or by
Yes, sir.
default, it will take 0, no, sir.
That's what. It will print 0 or what?
No sir, error ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಕರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು
Okay,
ಸರ್.
but it won't take the default value of integer.
No sir.
See, you will get the 2 errors. Correct?
Yes sir.
What kind of error you are getting? Variable
Not
D
initialized.
might not have been initialized. Here also, variable C might not have been initialized. In this case, so if you are not going to print the value, definitely no error. Just observe,
No error. Yes sir.
no error. But if you are trying to print the value, then you should be initialized.
Error. Okay sir.
Then you should perform the initialization operation. And once you do the initialization operation, then automatically errors will go on. Got this code?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll move for next question. Now, So this is final class 12, and this is the method here, abstract method here, class derived class extend from the base class.
Line. We can't extend now, sir. Final class.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So one error will come, na?
Main method is not present.
Okay. Only one error.
Main method illa, sir.
It doesn't matter. I'm not executing. Listen.
Okay, sir.
And if you want, I will type it. Don't worry. I'm just checking only this class and this class. That's it.
One error, sir. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ
Okay.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನೇ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Abstract.
This is what, right? Code. See, observe. So anyhow, this is the error. Why? Because we applied final, so unable to perform the inheritance. Correct, na? This is correct. What about here? Abstract method present, na? Abstract method present in the class, and they should be.
Yes, sir. It is not defined.
They should be abstract class, right? If any abstract method present in the class, that class should be abstract class. Again, you will get one more error. This error is gone. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Gone or
Yes.
what?
Yes, sir.
Again, it won't come. See, it's showing illegal combination of modifier, abstract, and final.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now I'll remove final. Then no error. Then if I use final, then if I remove abstract here, again error comes here. Two errors. Unable to perform the inheritance again. So abstract method present here. So you have to use the abstract keyword. If I'm use the abstract keyword, again one more error you will get it, like illegal combination of modifier. So in that case, I will remove the final. So now it's everything fine. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Two errors.
Sir.
We'll go for the next question now. This is the next question. Public class final 1-3 and public study void main. Okay, here is also public study void main. Two arguments, two different arguments. You can say I'm just calling the static method. What is an output of this code?
13, sir.
13.
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree? 13.
No, sir. No, sir. Error, sir. Because k is a final variable, sir. You can't modify k is equal to d plus k.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, we need to assign k for 0.
See, now you are getting compile time error, right?
Yes, sir.
We are getting the compile time error. What kind of an error? See, variable k is already defined in a method.
Yes, sir.
Correct, na? So and that too, one more message like variable k might not have been initialized.
Initialize.
So it's
K is
there, na?
equals to 0.
So 10 value will stored in D. Again, 3 will stored in a k.
Sir, but initial initialization should be like k is equals to 0
So
and
if I
then k
use
is equals to
k1,
d plus k.
Then 13, sir.
then fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then if I remove int here,
Sir, error, sir.
if I remove int also, you will get the error. Final parameter, correct? K may not be assigned. But value is here. You can print it. If you want, like if I execute this code, definitely 3 will be printed.
Yes, sir.
Correct? But again, if you're trying to add the values, definitely will get the error. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But if you use a different variable, see int k if you use also, see again error. So if you use a different variable, then fine. Then you can print k1 here.
We
Sir.
can use
Tell me.
keyword.
Sorry.
ಸರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ ಕೆ ಬೇರೆನಾ ಇಂಟ್ ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅವು ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು
This is different.
ಇಂಟ್ ಕೆ
So in K, see if we use, see what kind of error you will get it. See, just observe.
ಓ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Variable K already defined in a method.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Method in the sense this one.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ
So change it. Error gone. So you have to observe the error message always. So this leads to the compile time error. It won't print 13. Fine.
Yes, sir.
We'll go for the next question. So now, this is the class, then same class name I'm using, but I am having the return type modifier. There's a one class. This is the another class test created as an object for here. With the help of reference, I'm calling.
ಸರ್ ಎರರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್
So where is error? 3, 12, 13. You will get an output.
ಮೇನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್
Okay. So I can save the Sookshmas 8 as a file name only. File name and class name should be same.
ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಾಸ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್
Okay.
ಎರರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್
For that reason, you will get error.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Okay. Any other? Any guesses from anyone?
So compilation pulls at line 13.
13. Okay.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಎರರ್ ಸರ್
Sookshmas, it will become confusion, right, sir?
No, it can be.
I will show once again. Santosh, first I will give an explanation for you. If I use public here, it will ask. So this should be the class name and file name should be same. Okay. Then again, error you will get it here. Okay. Why? Because two public here. One public also and here one public also. Then I will again I'll rename it as to again Sookshmas 8. See, just observe Sookshmas 8 and the Sookshmas 8 same. Again you are using the public. This is expecting this test should be the file name. So now what we'll do here, I just remove public. No error now. We'll save. See, no error. The next question is, so if I'm trying to run, see, it's displaying. See, if we use a void, okay, so there is, if you consider as this constructor, there is no return type for the constructor, right?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
There is no return type for the constructor. Okay, here what I'm doing, like we are created an object for the class here, correct? So with the help of the reference, I'm directly calling this.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಫೈನ್ ಸರ್
Then it's definitely, it's print. Then if I ignore this,
ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸರ್
see, nothing prints.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Why? Because this is not a constructor. Then if I slowly remove void, then treat it as a constructor,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
then it prints. If you use any return type, if you are created an object for the class, if you are trying to run this code, so this is not constructed, it's not treated as a constructor because it consisting of a return type.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
So that is the reason with the help of the reference I'm calling. So then it worked fine. Now clear?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
Yes, sir.
So this is over. Fine. Okay. Observe this code now. Sookshmas 9, we have a constructor associated with the modifier private, and we have a user-defined method call. We have a static method called display. We have another class called A.
Private, no, sir, we can't display.
So we are created an object for the class with the help of reference. I'm calling method, and I'm calling the reference with the reference. I'm calling the static method, and with the help of class name also I'm calling the
Sir, two errors, sir.
two errors. Two errors, Santosh.
One, sir, one.
Anyone?
Sir. Yes, sir, two errors.
Two errors. Where, Santosh? Where?
Sir, object create ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ private constructor ಕರೆಯಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ sir. And the next thing, Sookshmas 9 dot display.
No error. Static, no, sir.
Not possible, sir, because it's not in the same class, sir. Display function.
Okay, anyone? Anyone answer?
No error, sir.
No error. Sure.
Yeah.
Private means
Okay, I will explain. Where is the error now?
One error, sir.
Object.
You can't call the private constructor.
Only one error, no? So
Yes,
why?
sir.
Because this is a private constructor. Now you are created an object. So what kind of error you will get it? It's a private access, right? We are unable to create an object.
yes.
And the
Yes,
private
sir.
constructor present here, we are unable to create an object. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
definitely with the help of reference. Okay, so anyhow, it's I can, if you ignore now private,
No error.
see, you can create an object with the help of reference. You can call it call method. You can call the static method with the help of class name also. I can call the static method with the help of reference also. I can call the static method, but this is not recommended. You can use like this. This for it work fine. Output will be displayed. So if you use a private here, so compile time error will be generated in a first line here.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So next question now. Base class, this is just like a overriding mechanism, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Same method we are redefining here also. Base class is also consisting of same, derived class is also consisting of same. Inside the method created the reference for the base, object for the derived. With the help of the base class reference, I'm calling the call method where it will go.
Sir, one error, sir.
One error.
Yes, sir.
Where, Santosh?
Override, sir. Override function.
Here you will get error.
No, sir. Class Bangalore extends Sookshmas.
Here you will get error.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where you are getting error? See, call has a private access in Sookshmas 10, correct?
Yes,
It
sir.
has a private access. So that's the reason we are unable to call. Just observe the error message. Call method has a private access in the class name called Sookshmas 10. This is what I'm telling, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we'll get the compile time
Override,
error here.
override error. ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, it won't. No. See, just observe the error message. Okay, in the
If you
case
remove the
of
private,
yes, in case of if I use Bangalore here,
Same error.
Oracle will be printed.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Error.
So if we remove the private key,
Wait, Santos. I will show more code. See now? Class name Sookshmas 11. Here we have a call method, access modifier public. Here I have an abstract method in the derived class. Here also abstract class is here. This is an abstract method. Abstract method extend from the class called Sookshmas 11. In the public static void when created the reference for the base and object for the derived. I'm calling this call method. Does it works?
Sir, for abstract class, we can't.
we can't create an object.
So in this line you will get error.
Yes.
Abstract one.
Where is the error?
I think no. Error, sir.
Objects.
Okay.
Word call.
No error, sir.
No error. What kind of error you are getting?
Objects.
Bangalore is an abstract. You are
cannot-
unable to create an object, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I will create an object for this one. Parent.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yes, sir.
We'll go for the next question. So here, parent class consisting of public void call. Okay, this is the modifier printing Java. This is the derived class extend from the base class. Again, see here, while you are redefining, I'm adding a final modifier associated with the call method, which is present in the derived class. Now in the public static void main, I've created the reference for the parent class object for the derived class with the reference of the parent class. I'm calling the call method. Where it will go, or else it work fine, or else any compile error here. Just observe carefully.
Public word call.
Sir, public void call will be Java will be printed because it's parent class.
Okay, because of the parent class reference, so that Java will be printed,
Java will be printed.
not Oracle.
No, sir, because it's a derived class. Even
Okay.
though it
If
has
it is
been called by
overriding
China.
mechanism,
How can we? Wait, sir.
if it is overriding
So
mechanism,
there is no, I think there is no overriding, sir, because that's only public void call. But here we're giving the final to
So final means then we cannot.
that should be present in the parent class, correct?
parent class, sir, but it is in the derived class.
See, if we are trying to run this code, Oracle will be displayed. Just observe. No error. It never prints
Sir,
Java.
but preference will be given to parent class.
No. Derived class object with the help. This is overriding mechanism, right? Overriding.
Yeah.
With the help of final also it
We
works fine.
added the
No issue.
final.
If
Okay.
you remove also fine. Okay. If you add also fine. Okay, but once you apply final here, then there is a problem.
Then yes.
Unable to override it. Understood?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go for the next. Now, understood? Same thing, but protected here, present in the parent, correct? Associated with the method. And here is public and the derived. Here and here. Simple inheritance. Again created the reference for the base and object for the derived with the help of the reference of the parent I'm calling. So what's an output? Error, or else you will get the value of Java, or else Oracle will be displayed on the screen.
Oracle, sir.
Oracle, sure. Here is the
Oracle.
protected, here is the public.
Yes, sir.
It's fine. See,
Oracle.
Oracle.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to directly create a, if you don't want to go for reference, if I use also, fine. Work.
Yes, sir. Oracle.
Else you can create a reference for the parent. Now, this is considered as default modifier, right? Default.
Yes, sir. Public.
No, default, friendly, not public.
Default and then public.
Except this modifier is there, not, it's not public.
Oh, okay, sir.
Default modifier is also there in Java.
Okay, sir.
This is protected. Now what is an output? Or else Java will be printed, Oracle will be printed, or
Java.
else error.
Sir, Oracle.
Oracle,
Yes, sir.
not Java.
Java.
I think no, sir.
No error.
Nothing print.
Here is also Oracle will be printed.
Yes, sir.
If
Preference
you use,
from the inside the class, sir.
sorry?
First preference method class ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ.
Okay. If I use protected also,
Overloads. Override. ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
again Oracle.
Yes, sir.
Oracle.
If we ignored also, Oracle. It's a combination of public and protected now. Error. Public here and protected here. Error.
Why, sir? Combination of protected public.
See, observe. Attempting to assign weaker access privilege. Correct. Here protected. Here
Sir, if we
public.
remove the
So if I remove protected,
or
see,
over
if I remove public also, you will get the compiled error. So now if I remove public here, fine. Then you can add public here. Fine. If you use private here, now we will get error.
Error.
Now instead of private, if I use protected, no error. Again, combination of public and protected.
Error, sir.
Understood now?
Yes,
Sir, conclusion ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ sir.
See, you have to take care about the modifier associated with the base class as well as the associated with the derived class. That is the reason I'm showing a number of combination.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
So I will explain. If you use public here also, it
No.
works, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It works.
Yes, sir.
So public base, if I remove anything over here, again, you will
That.
get this kind of error.
Yes,
Call
sir.
in class name called S2 cannot override the call in Sookshmas class method. Are you getting the point?
Okay.
Because of the attempting to assign the weaker access privileges. Then if I use here protected, or if I use private,
Then also prime.
private, again we are unable to call this one.
Yes, sir.
Another error we can encounter.
Yes, sir.
If we use private here also, same error.
Yes, sir.
Then I just delete. Protected, then private, again error. Then you can use protected followed by the protected, work fine. Protected in the base, then default in the derived, again error. Protected in the base, public in the derived, works.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Combinations.
Okay, sir.
Go for the next question. Now, parent class, this is the derived class. Parent class consisting of the variable k with the value 10. Here is also variable k with a different value 3. Created the reference for the parent object for the derived with the reference of the parent class and access. Which value will be displayed? 10 or 3 or any compile time error?
3, sir.
Sir,
Compile time error, sir.
compile time error. No compile time error, it will print the value of
3.
10.
10. House.
Reference belongs to which class?
Okay, sir.
Class
Parent.
16.
Okay. Then
But we
definitely
created an object.
doesn't
Object of
matter,
the.
but inheritance is there. Class D extends. Definitely it will access the variable. See, this is not overriding. Overriding
Yes,
not
sir.
applicable for variables. Overriding apply for method. See, I will introduce method now in the same case. In same case, I will explain. You start at, just observe now.
Oracle
It will
10.
print Oracle overriding. This is variable. Definitely it will access the parent class. What the
Okay,
difference?
sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Reverse case ಆಗುತ್ತಾ sir variable method.
This is overriding mechanism.
Yes,
Variable
sir.
definitely it won't like access the which is present in the derived, because references belongs to parent. Definitely it will access the variable present in the parent.
Okay, sir.
This is all about the today's sessions.